Hi everyone, my name is Samantha Brown. I am the corporate research chef here at Winston Industries, and I am going to explain the concept or the magic of CVap using the chart behind me that no one can pronounce. So this is the food thermoisturization chart. Thermoisturization. Everybody say it with me. Thermoisturization. This is the world of CVap and cooking in general, really. Here we have, if we look at these pretty colors here, we've got on the chart proofing, moist holding, steaming, moist cooking, firm hold, crisp cooking, baking. We've got our temperature danger zone here. But really the key to all of this is understanding the X and the Y axis. I feel like when I explain to people and customers how to create a program, not knowing what the first step is, come to this chart. It will get you on the diamond, not just in the ballpark, but in the diamond. You may need to tweak it a little bit for whatever your product is, but it'll be much closer than shooting in the dark, so to speak. So let's start at the bottom. The x-axis is your vapor temperature. Okay, don't look at the names. That is your vapor temperature. With your new CVap, this is the vernacular that's used, and that's what I want you to remember. Vapor temp is this range of numbers on the bottom. Now the y-axis, which is this puppy, the vertical one here, is the differential temp. Sam, what does that mean? That means that you're using two forms of heat. You're using dry heat, which is your air heat, and you're using moist heat, which is your vapor heat. The difference between the two numbers is the differential. Okay, let me give you an example. Say we're doing fried chicken and we want to hold it, which is basically what CVap was invented for. It was holding fried chicken for KFC. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to think, okay, I want moist hold, I want crisp hold. So I'm going to look at the center of this circle. Let's just go right in the center and go down to the vapor temp. Standard vapor temp for a crisp hold for fried chicken, really anything that's crispy, it's going to be 160. And then if I go over here to the y-axis, it says 80. That's not 80 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 80 degrees on top of the 160. 160, 240. 160 vapor, 240 air. And you can use this method for any end product or whatever your target goal is. That's when you don't have a program, come to the chart and try to figure it out. And if you can't do that, come talk to me or Barry or anyone from the sales team or customer care, and we'll get you straight. All right, hope that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.